So today we're going to show you, we're hanging behind a toilet, and almost every toilet has to have a water supply. And that is, like water pipes coming out of the wall with a valve. They, in the plumbing business, call it a stop. So here's ours right here. It is kind of fancy. It's got a nice little handle on it. And this is a scushing, spelt with an E, scushing, this plate. And a lot of times they're close to the wall, and I end up pulling it back, pull that back. So I'm gonna unbook our wallpaper. It's plenty long. So we're gonna unbook the paper. We're gonna come all the way down to the pipe. Okay, so let me show you, this is important. This is the first thing you have to know about, is you can see the wallpaper where it is. I'm going to cut a slice all the way down to the baseboard, then I'm gonna come back and cut out like a quarter size round. Or another option is I can go that way. Why don't we try that? So I get to the pipe and I cut. And I can feel the scushing right there, it's round. And what we do next is cut around the pipe. I don't know if you can see this, but I'm trying. It's just like, don't cut too much, just enough that's the pipe, and then you can get this fitted back in there. So at this point, we have to come back up and get the paper behind the scushing. And pull it down. I'm trying to do this with one hand so I'm not blocking the filming. Still gotta go over some. Okay, so now we're all behind it. I'm lining up my seam. Okay, getting closer. Okay, I'm just cleaning up around where the glue got on there, and I push the scushing back, and you can see our seam that we cut this way is over here somewhere, but it's completely disappeared. A lot of times I cut it straight down, but this is kind of high and the baseboard's low, so I cut it to the side. So that's one tip of the day of how to cut around some plumbing with this not so much space. I can't breathe.